Removable thumb spica application. For indications where stabilization or support of the wrist joint and thumb joint are required, follow physician's instructions on the proper positioning of the limb. A common position is with the thumb and index finger opposing, wrist in slight dorsal flexion, and neutral with regards to ulnar and radial deviation. Select a Delta-Lite thumb spica that will not be restrictive at the widest part of the limb. Roll up the stockinette before applying to the limb to lessen the pressure while applying. Roll on and remove all wrinkles and creases. Adhesive felt or foam can be used to provide additional padding over bony prominences. It is suggested to provide additional padding over the styloid process of the ulna. Begin by putting on protective gloves before applying the cast tape. Slide in a zip stick at the dorsal side to make cutting easier. Measure using 2-inch or 3-inch cast tape from the proximal phalange of the thumb to below the wrist to use as a reinforcing strip. Fold over to make 2 layers, cut to be used as a reinforcement strip. Dip the cast tape and reinforcement strip in water, squeezing 1 to 3 times. Remove from water and squeeze 1 time to remove excess water. Place the reinforcing strip at the proximal phalange of the thumb and extend toward the wrist and lock down with the cast tape. Start wrapping the cast tape at the wrist, working distally to the hand. Make a cut to pass around the thumb, and another cut to easily pass through the web space 2 times. Continue working toward the elbow, overlapping 50%. Mold the cast with the palms of your hands. Allow the cast to initially set and cut off along the zip stick. When you're finished, trim the borders of the cast for a good fit. Round any sharp corners. Following that, place the cast back on the patient and trim any areas that may cause irritation or limit range of motion. Then, cut 2 small pieces of adhesive hook and place on the palmar side of the cast. And then attach stretch loop to secure the cast. A small piece of fleece edger may be added to create a tab, making it easier for the patient to open. Remove the cast and apply adhesive fleece edger to the edges of the cast. Fold the edger so it overlaps the edge and covers the inside and outside of the cast at the edges. Cover all the edges of the cast that will come in contact with the patient's skin, creating softer edges. Put the finished cast on the forearm and close using stretch loop, and you are finished.